Hey, my name is Jeremy Dixon with Elevate Clients Inc. And in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how we generate commercial power washing leads for our client and how you can do the same. So if you're trying to get commercial pressure washing jobs, whether that's office, apartments, car dealerships, restaurants, etc., and this video is going to walk you through exactly how I generate those leads using cold email. So I'm going to show you what niches to target, what tools to use, what the emails actually say, and how you can land your first or your next job without relying on Home Advisor, Angie's List, word of mouth, or Facebook ads. Okay, so this document goes over all of the best niches to target for your pressure washing company. I'll also link it down below if you want to pick up a copy. So what we're going to start off with is just these top 10 niches, right? So be apartment rentals and apartment companies, property management companies, auto dealerships, schools and daycares, fitness facilities, whether that's gyms, health clubs, etc., funeral homes, medical offices, food and beverage, type companies, whether that's restaurants, bars, etc., retail and shopping centers, and then contractors and builders. All right, so these niches work because they have visible exterior services that get dirty fast, and they want to look clean and presentable to their customers, tenants, or inspectors. They also don't generally have the time or equipment to do this themselves, and these businesses expect to pay for appearance-related maintenance. So with all these in mind, they make for a perfect starting target list for your pressure washing company. Okay, so the tools that you're going to need to make this work, right? So you're going to need leads. So we're going to use Outscraper or Apollo to generate our lead lists. You're going to need Smart Lead to actually send the emails that you're going to be sending out to prospects. You're going to need domains and inboxes to actually send out the emails. And then you're also going to need a tool like Million Verifier to verify that the emails are clean to cut down on your bounce rate. Ideally, you want to start with no less than 30 to 50 inboxes so that you can safely send 1,000 emails per day. And you want to make sure that you're always using subdomains instead of your main business email on your main domain so that you can protect your main domain's reputation. So I have videos that go over exactly how to set up your cold email infrastructure, which I'll link somewhere in this video. And now let's move on to exactly what we're saying in these emails to get people interested. Okay, so here's an example email sequence. And this is why this sequence works. And it's because it's short and to the point. It's non-pushy. It's offering value first. It's built to get replies or bookings, and it's easy to personalize for any industry that you want to go into. So let's just look at email number 1, straight to the offer. So quick question about your property. Hi, first name. We help local churches improve curb appeal and reduce maintenance issues with professional exterior pressure washing. That includes things like sidewalks and walkways, dumpster pads and loading zones, building exteriors, patios, and more. If you're open to a free quote or a quick look at your property, I'd be happy to take care of it personally. Is that worth a chat? And contact info. Email 2, we recently helped a local church clean up their exterior walkways, building walls, and high traffic areas to help them improve appearance for clients, eliminate slippery surfaces, and cut down on tenant complaints. And this could just be used, for anything. Would you like me to stop by and give you a no obligation quote, right? And then third email, hey, first name, totally understand if this isn't something you're looking at right now. Just wanted to check one last time in case the exterior of your property needs attention before the busy season. Happy to send pricing or even swing by to take a look. Want me to take you off my list? Thanks, either way, name. And then a sample text message you can send if you have the ability to, hey, first name, this is Bob with Bob's Power Washing. We do pressure washing for local businesses. Can stop by for a quote this week if you'd like. Worth taking a look, right? So these emails and this sequence, this is all you need to get your point across in a non-salesy way that lets people know what you're offering and gives them the opportunity to respond if they're interested. All right, so I just wanted to quickly go over one of our clients that we just started working with. This is 5 days ago, right? So in the last 5 days, they've been able to generate 4 leads for their pressure washing company. And let me just show you what some of the responses look like. Okay, so we sent them their email just saying, we're just offering them a quote, and they responded back, "Good afternoon. This is something we would be interested in. You can definitely send us a quote. Thanks." And then, the client just responded back. First, he actually called them, just got on the phone, built a relationship, and then scheduled a visit out to meet them, right? And all right, so if you own a pressure washing company and you are looking to hand off your lead generation and want somebody to handle it for you, or if you want us to build the system for you and then have somebody in your team handle it, book a call below and we would love to help. I'll see you guys in the next video.